I'm Richard Keim. I'm one of the voices of biodiversity in a future where technology listens to nature. Biodiversity may be declining, but it is the foundation of everything that we eat, drink, and breathe. We don't have any of those things without biodiversity there to support us. It's crucial for us to pay attention and work hard to develop ways to listen and learn and manage natural resources for the future. Technology makes us feel separate from ecosystems, but we're not. What we can do is use our technological skills to feed back into the ecosystems and help us to ensure their sustainability. At LIST, we're using forests as living laboratories where we can observe these things both from afar and close up. At LIST, I'm very proud that we have a science mission that takes us to the forest to make measurements. We live in a world of big data where we have artificial intelligence and we have huge models to help us interpret things that we've already observed about the world, but we still need to go and observe and see those things for ourselves. One of the key challenges in doing natural science is getting the right data about the right thing. One of the things that LIST is very good at is combining our natural science expertise with our technological science expertise. We're able to design new kinds of sensors and obtain new kinds of data, and these are going to give us new insights into how the world works. The goal of listening to nature is not to find ways to control it, but to find ways to support it so that it can support us.